Good morning. Today we are going to be picking up the 3-inch exhaust and 2-inch headers for my car that I literally just talked about last video. My friend Nick just posted, hey, anybody want my old set? I went twin turbos and had to change up everything. So obviously I jumped up on that deal. They're obviously speed engineering, but he said he had no fitment issues, so I'd rather take his set than even buy a new set and maybe have issues. But 2-inch headers plus their off-road long tube exhaust set, so I will have to find mufflers for it because I do not want to run open exhaust on the street. But obviously, we'll get into that later. We are taking my dad's truck today, which is right there, and you'll actually be seeing that in another video here shortly because I bought him lowering shackles for it because he was a little older and he wanted to actually be able to put feed in because we kind of live on a small farm, so we wanted to put feed in the bed a little easier and get the ride quality a little bit better and my old experience with it on my old truck. So I'll take you guys along for the ride today, but we'll get to it when we get in the car. So let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so I got the headers and the exhaust. I didn't want to record while he was while we were talking because I just wanted to, respect his privacy. But here's that and the X pipe. So yeah, now time to get home. So here we got the exhaust back, and this car still has to pass E-check, so I'm not going to be able to put the exhaust on until I'm able to pass emissions. And then I'm going to throw this exhaust on and do the testing that I was talking about doing, with doing the cat back, do a pull, come back, swap them out, and then go do it again. And then obviously I'm going to do the same thing with the headers once I'm able to get that tuned. So obviously this vlog wasn't too productive, but we were still able to get some headers and exhaust and some good stuff for a little bit of a discount, which is always good, and to keep testing with this car and keep pushing to go faster. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.